Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Crystal, one half of the For Love of the Mouse duo, and today we are talking fish extenders. Ready to embark on our very first Disney cruise, and we are so excited. Since this is our first cruise, we decided to just do a 3-night cruise to make sure that it was something we were going to enjoy, even though I'm sure we will. But we still wanted to take part in fish extenders, so I thought what a great idea then to talk about Disney's fish extenders, what it is, and what we are doing for gifts. So if you are heading out on your first Disney cruise or your 5th Disney cruise, you can decide if fish extenders is something you want to do and maybe get some ideas from what we're doing. So what is fish extenders? Fish extenders is a group on a Disney cruise line that does gift exchanges within various cabins throughout the ship. So these are probably perfect strangers to you. You've never met them before probably, and you can do adults only fish extenders, which is something we're doing because we don't have kids and we thought it would be something better for us to do an adults only one, or you can do family ones, or you can do kids ones. So we, like I said, are doing an adults only fish extender group. So there's a Facebook group for our cruise on the Disney Dream, and within that Facebook group are the various fish extender groups. So one thing is when you start your fish extender, you need an actual fish extender. I actually just learned what the fish extender is. So outside of each door is a fish, and it's like a metal fish. You can hang things from it, and usually people hang their laundry from it so that it can be laundered by the cruise. Well, when you're doing fish extenders, you hang your fish extender from there. This is our fish extender, and my mom and I made this. This is, well, we designed it. So this is just a laundry or shoe organizer from, I think I got this one from Walmart. You can get them on Amazon. You can also buy fish extenders that are already made and designed and made pretty on Etsy. So if that's something you would be interested in, be sure to check that out. There's tons of really cute ones. So we just purchased this on, I think I got it on Amazon or Walmart, and then my mom and I had this fabric. There's a 4th one down there too. But we had this fabric, so we secured the fabric on each of the little pouches, and then I got these amazing patches from the Patchmaker Plus, and we will link her down below, and her website is so fantastic and she's absolutely amazing to work with. I'm so thrilled with everything she did for us. But we got this cute little peekaboo Mickey, the Disney cruise, and the Mickey and Minnie Disney cruise. We got a Mickey Mouse that really matches this fabric we got. And then you can see for Bryson's, there is a Disney Cruise Line name tag with his name on that. And this is another one of those patches. And then for mine, I have Pua and Belle, and then there's my name. So next I wanted to talk about what we're doing for our fish extender gifts, because we are doing, like I said, the adults only fish extender, which there wasn't an adults only fish extender group when we joined the Disney Cruise, our Disney Cruise Facebook page. So we created this group, but we do know that this is something that is quite frequent on the Disney Cruise. It's not just for families, it's not just for kids. And if you want to start an adults only one, you can, or you can join an already existing one if it's not already closed. But we just decided to do that. It would just be easier for us and probably a little bit more fun. I have most of our gifts together here that we're going to give out. So if you are on the December 7th Disney Dream Cruise and you are in the Goofy Adults Only Fish Extender group, turn off this video right now so that you don't see your gifts from us. But this is one of the things I'm so excited about. My mom and I made these, and I got these bags off of Amazon, and these are just large burlap tote bags. And then again, these are those patches from the Patchmaker Plus. Each person who said that they were a fan of a certain Disney item, I tried to find a patch for that, and she has so many great patches. So this is a Star Wars one, and this is for all the ladies. So we're doing some individual gifts and some cabin gifts. So for certain items, there's going to be one per person, and then for other items, there's one per cabin. So this is an individual gift, and this is for all the ladies in the group, and all the ladies ladies are going to get a bag from us that has a patch that is specific to their interests. I'm really excited for everyone to get these because I think you can use them at the beach and you can use them when you're not at Disney as well. You can take them to the pool, you can take them to carry groceries, you know, so many different uses. So I'm really excited for that. So for the guys, I decided to go ahead and get these little throws. So I have red ones and I have gray ones. These are from Walmart, and we're going to attach the patches onto, I think, a corner of this. And my mom and I are actually going to do that today. So this is the guys' gift where the girls are getting the totes. And I think these are really great. And these will be great for the balcony. These will be great for at home. So I really hope people enjoy these. Next up, we are getting one of these per cabin because, as a lot of people know, the doors on the Disney cruises are magnetic. So a lot of people put magnets out to make their room distinctive, which we did as well, and we'll show you guys those in a later video. But this is something we got for everyone that they can put on their doors, and it's magnetic. And it has the Disney Cruise logo on there and a little Mickey anchor in the corner there. And we got one of these per cabin so that each cabin can put these on their door, and then maybe when they get home put it on their fridge or whatever the case may be. But I think these are super cute. These are from Etsy. You can search these and they are just great. I'm so excited about them. I think they're going to be awesome. We also got these bath bombs. So these are from Target, and these are the little bath fizzies, which I think are really cute. And I think that the girls will really enjoy these. Maybe the guys too, if guys like baths. And then because they didn't have enough of the bath fizzies, we got some of these lotion and hand creams as well for folks to have. So you either get one of these or one of these in your little fish extender bag. And then I made these. There's also on the Disney cruises, you can do an ornament exchange for the Very Maritime cruises. We're not doing an ornament exchange specifically, but we are going to include these in our fish extender gifts. So these are just clear balls that I got from Hobby Lobby, and I filled them with it's like snow. I got that from Hobby Lobby as well. And then we got these cute little Disney Cruise Line logos. I went ahead and put on the outside of each ornament. So this is an ornament that everybody is going to get in their fish extender gift. And then the last thing that we're going to include in our fish extender gift is a postcard. These are Pixar postcards, so they're from various Disney Pixar films. Like this is from The Incredibles. And we're just gonna write a little note on each one and tell people to follow us on YouTube if they're interested, and that we have a channel and that we'll be vlogging the cruise and doing that sort of thing. So it'll be a nice little way for everyone to kind of get to know us a little bit through our little postcard, and maybe they can follow along on our adventure when we get back. That is our fish extender gift, and that is a little bit about fish extenders. We would love to know, have you been on a Disney cruise? Have you done fish extenders? What were some of the favorite gifts you gave? What were some of the favorite gifts you received? And I'd love to know some other ideas. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and we hope you follow along as we continue on our Disney adventure, and especially as we get ready to head out on this brand new adventure for us, our first land and sea Disney adventure. Be sure to subscribe to our channel if you're not already, and also be sure to like this video if you like what we're doing. We really appreciate it. It really helps us out. And also be sure to hit that little bell icon so that you are notified every time we release a video on Mondays and Fridays. Thank you for stopping by, and for the love of the mouse, never forget that it all started with a mouse.